Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make strawberry macarons. First, ensure all your ingredients are at room temperature for best results. Precision is key, so weigh your almond flour, powdered sugar, and granulated sugar carefully in grams. You'll also need aged egg whites, red gel food coloring for that vibrant hue, and freeze-dried strawberries for intense flavor. Having a kitchen scale, stand mixer, piping bags, and silicone mats ready will streamline your process. Remember to wipe your mixing bowl with vinegar or lemon juice to eliminate any grease, which helps the meringue whip properly. Creating the macaron shells requires careful steps. Begin by sifting your almond flour and powdered sugar together at least twice to ensure a super fine, lump-free mixture. Next, whip your aged egg whites, gradually adding granulated sugar until you achieve stiff, shiny peaks in your meringue. This is crucial for stability. Then, gently fold the dry ingredients into the meringue using the macaronage technique, aiming for a lava-like consistency. Finally, pipe your batter into desired shapes onto silicone mats. Then firmly tap the trays to release any trapped air bubbles. Now for the delicious part, the strawberry filling. You can create a luscious strawberry buttercream by creaming room temperature butter, then beating in powdered sugar and fresh strawberry puree until light and fluffy. Another fantastic option is to use a high-quality strawberry jam or preserves for the center. To assemble, pipe a border of your buttercream onto the flat side of one macaron shell, then spoon or pipe a small amount of strawberry jam into the center. Carefully match it with another shell of similar size, and gently press them together to form your completed macaron. For successful baking, let your piped macaron shells rest at room temperature for 15 to 60 minutes, or until a skin forms and they are dry to the touch. This helps prevent cracking. Bake them at 300 degrees Fahrenheit for 14 to 18 minutes, one tray at a time, ensuring they are firm and don't wiggle. And speaking of bringing things to life, check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Once cooled, store your assembled macarons in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 5 days, allowing the flavors to meld beautifully.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.